simple to describe the FJORD 39 XP. It's day boating made simple. You have everything that you need for a beautiful day on the water with lots of options for dining that can flip into a sun pad. You have a summer kitchen. The real teak accents complement the synthetic teak floors. So again, simplicity, ease of maintenance. You've got the biggest T-top in the class that covers the entire boat from gunnel to gunnel, giving sun protection and an extended sunshade here as well. You've got plenty of performance with twin Mercury 400 V10s. Now, it doesn't bill itself as a performance boat, it bills itself as a comfort cruiser, but we got great acceleration out of these engines, cruised easily at 40 in rough chop, and it handled beautifully because of the vertical bow and the deep feed design. The FJORDs were built for any kind of water and for comfortable cruising, and you'll see that throughout this boat. Best of all worlds. Mediterranean luxury, Scandinavian design, and German engineering. You'll see the simplistic Scandinavian design here at the helm, where everything is very clean, efficient, Humphrey interceptors, quick chain counter, your Mercury controls, and Simrad screens. Even the upholstery is very cleanly constructed and linear. You'll see that also in the windshield, which gives you great protection and visibility. And these small windscreens make a big difference in the wind protection at the helm. The boats are white gel coat, but any color can be changed here. So there is an amount of customization that you can do with any FJORD in both your fabrics and your paint colors. The summer kitchen of the FJORD 39 XP shows some other customization options. These show cutting boards, but you can have an induction stove, an electric or gas grill, and you've got the sink, refrigeration, and storage beneath. Access is another nice feature of the FJORD 39. As you can see, extensive storage here because of the outboards with a ladder down that you can access whether there's someone on the sun pad or not. The sun pad also opens up to give you access to the storage, and there's a hatch that gives you access to your mechanicals as well. All easy. Even your rectangular fenders have their own space. Here at the bow, you continue to see the elegant finishes of the teak and stainless armrests on the sun pad. A very clever design for the anchor chain locker. And again, the teak and the Sea Smart cleats. The FJORD 33 XP gives me a very yachty feel for a day boat. It really is best of all worlds.